Welcome to your 2025 ASVAB Mentor General Knowledge Practice. If you're preparing for the ASVAB test this year, you're in the right place. These 200 multiple choice questions cover everything from history, science, geography, math basics to everyday problem solving. Each question is designed to sharpen your brain, boost your confidence, and help you score higher on test day. Remember, don't just memorize answers, understand the logic behind each one. That's how you'll crush the test. Q1. What is the capital city of Canada? A. Toronto, B. Ottawa, C. Vancouver, D. Montreal. Answer B. Ottawa. Q2. The chemical symbol O stands for which element? A. Oxygen, B. Osmium, C. Ozone, D. Opal. Answer oxygen. Q3. How many stars are there on the US flag? A. 48, B. 49, C. 50, D. 52. Answer C. 50. Q4. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars, B. Jupiter, C. Saturn, D. Venus. Answer A. Mars. Q5. Who was the first president of the United States? A. Abraham Lincoln, B. George Washington, C. John Adams, D. Thomas Jefferson. Answer B. George Washington. Q6. In which year did World War II end? A. 1940, B. 1943, C. 1945, D. 1950. Answer C. 1945. Q7. Which gas do humans exhale when breathing out? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Hydrogen. Answer B. Carbon dioxide. Q8. The largest ocean in the world is A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Answer B. Pacific Ocean. Q9. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens, B. William Shakespeare, C. Mark Twain, D. Jane Austen. Answer B. William Shakespeare. Q10. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A, B, B, A, B. O negative. Answer D. Q11. What is the currency of Japan? A1, B. Yen, C. Peso, D. Yuan. Answer B. Yen. 12. The speed of light is approximately A. 300,000 kilometers per second, 150,000 kilometers per second, C. 500,000 kilometers per second, D. 750,000 kilometers per second. Answer A. 300 kilometers per second. Q13. Which continent is the Sahara Desert located in? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, D. South America. Answer Africa. Q14. Who invented the light bulb? A. Alexander Graham Bell, B. Nikola Tesla, C. Thomas Edison, D. Albert Einstein. Answer C. Thomas Edison. Q15. The Great Wall of China was primarily built to protect its which group? A. Romans, B. Mongols, C. Persians, D. Greeks. Answer B. Mongols. Q16. What is the smallest prime number? A. 0, B. 1, C. D. 3. Answer C. 2. Q17. The U.S. Declaration of Independence was signed in which year? A. 1775, B. 1776, C. 1777, D. 1780. Answer B. 1776. Q18. Which part of the human body produces insulin? A. Liver, B. Pancreas, C. Kidney, D. Heart, or B. Pancreas. Q19. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? A. Alps, B. Rockies, C. Himalayas, D. Andes, C. Himalayas. Q20. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? A. California, B. Florida, C. Arizona, D. Texas. Answer B. Florida. Q21. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Saturn, B. Jupiter, C. Neptune, D. Uranus. Answer B. Jupiter. Q22. Which U.S. state was the last to join the Union? A. Alaska, B. Arizona, C. Hawaii, D. New Mexico. Answer C. Hawaii. Q23. Who painted the famous artwork called the Mona Lisa? A. Pablo Picasso, B. Leonardo da Vinci, C. Michelangelo, D. Vincent van Gogh, B. Leonardo da Vinci. Q24. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 4, B. 5, 6, 8. Answer 6. Q25. Which country is the origin of the Olympic Games? A. Italy, Egypt, C. Greece, D. France. Answer C. Greece. Q26. The main gas found in Earth's atmosphere is A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen, D. Helium. Answer C. Nitrogen. Q27. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? A. Amelia Earhart, B. Sally Ride, Valentina Tereshkova, Bessie Coleman. Answer A. Amelia Earhart. Q28. What is the smallest country in the world by land area? A. Monaco, B. Vatican City, C. Liechtenstein, D. Malta. Answer B. Vatican City. Q29. How many teeth does a normal adult human have? A. 28, B. 30, C. 32, D. 36. Answer C. 32. Q30. What is the boiling point of water at sea level? A. 90 degrees Celsius, B. 100 degrees Celsius, C. 20 degrees Celsius, D. 80 degrees Celsius. Answer B. 100 degrees Celsius. Q31. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Mercury, B. Iron, C. Silver, D. Copper. Mercury. Q32. In which year did the Titanic sink? A. 1910, B. 1912, C. 1914, D. 1916. Answer B. 1912. Q33. Which U.S. state has the nickname the Lone Star State? A. Texas, B. New Mexico, C. Arizona, D. Oklahoma. Answer A. Texas. Q34. The tallest animal in the world is A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Camel, D. Horse. Answer B. Giraffe. Q35. What is the square root of 81? A 7, B. 8, 9, D. 10. Answer C. 9. Q36. Which scientist proposed the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Albert Einstein, C. Galileo Galilei, D. Stephen Hawking. Answer B. Albert Einstein. Q37. What is the national flower of the United States? A. Tulip, B. Rose, C. Daisy, Lily. Answer B. Rose. Q38. Which ocean is the Bermuda Triangle located in? A. Indian Ocean, B. Atlantic Ocean, C. Pacific Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean. Q39. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold, B. Iron, C. Diamond, D. Quartz. Answer C. Diamond. Q40. Which branch of the U.S. military is responsible for aerial and space warfare? A. Navy, B. Army, C. Air Force, D. Coast Guard. Answer C. Air Force. Question number 41. What is the capital city of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Perth. And C. Canberra. Question number 42. Which gas is essential for human survival? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Hydrogen, D. Helium. Answer B. Oxygen. Question number 43. Who wrote the book The Adventures of Tom Sawyer? A. Mark Twain, B. Ernest Hemingway, C. Charles Dickens, D. F. Scott Fitzgerald. Answer A. Mark Twain. Question number 44. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River, B. Nile River, C. Mississippi River, D. Yangtze River. Answer B. Nile River. Question number 45. The Statue of Liberty was a gift to the United States from which country? A. Germany, B. Italy, C. France, D. Spain. Answer C. France. Question number 46. How many bones are in the adult human body? A. 200, B. 206, C. 210, D. 206. Question number 47. Which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, B. Horse, C. Lion, D. Leopard. Answer A. Cheetah. Question number 48. The American Civil War began in which year? A. 1860, B. 1861, C. 1863, D. 1865. Answer. Question number 49. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? A. Oxygen, B. Iron, C. Silicon, D. Aluminum. Answer A. Oxygen. Question number 50. Which U.S. state is the largest by land area? A. Texas, B. Alaska, C. California, D. Montana, B. Alaska. Question number 51. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering? A. Retina, B. Lens, C. Iris, D. Cornea. Answer C. Iris. Question number 52. The Wright brothers are famous for inventing what? A. The telephone, B. The airplane, C. The light bulb, D. The steam engine. Answer B. The airplane. Question number 53. Which country has the largest population in the world? A. India, B. China, C. United States, D. Indonesia, B. China. Question number 54. What is the main language spoken in Brazil? A. Spanish, B. Portuguese, C. English, D. French. And it's Portuguese. Question number 55. What is the chemical symbol for gold? AO, B. Egg, C. Go, D. GD. Answer AO. Question number 56. In which year did humans first land on the moon? A. 1969, C. 1970, D. 1970, D. 1969. Question number 57. Which country is famous for the Great Pyramid of Giza? India, B. Mexico, Egypt, D. Iraq. Answer C. Egypt. Question number 58. Which is the largest mammal in the world? A. African elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Sperm whale, D. Giraffe. Answer B. Blue whale. Question number 59. Who was the 16th president of the United States? A. Andrew Jackson, B. Abraham Lincoln, C. Theodore Roosevelt, D. Ulysses S. Grant. Answer. Question number 60. What is the currency of the United Kingdom? A. Euro, B. Pound sterling, C. Dollar, D. Francs. Question number 61. Which continent is the largest by land area? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. North America, D. Europe, B. Asia. Question number 62. What is the chemical symbol for sodium? A. So, B. Sa, C. Na, D. Sn. Answer C. and Na. Question number 63. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? A. Buzz Aldrin, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Yuri Gagarin, Michael Collins. Answer B. Neil Armstrong. Question number 64. What is the hardest known rock on Earth? A. Granite, B. Marble, C. Diamond, D. Obsidian. Answer C. Diamond. Question number 65. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. Japan, B. China, C. Korea, D. Thailand. A. Japan. Question number 66. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fighting infection. B. Carrying oxygen. C. Digesting food. D. Producing insulin. Answer B. Carrying oxygen. Question number 67. Which U.S. city is known as the Windy City? A. Chicago. B. New York. C. Los Angeles. D. Miami. A. Chicago. Question number 68. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 7. B. 8. C. 9, 10. Answer 8. Question number 69. Who is known as the father of computers? A. Charles Babbage. B. Alan Turing. C. Bill Gates. D. Steve Jobs. Answer A. Charles Babbage. Question number 70. The Amazon rainforest is mostly located in which country? A. Brazil. Peru. C. Colombia. D. Venezuela. Answer A. Brazil. Question number 71. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin D. Answer D. Vitamin D. Question number 72. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Liver. C. Kidney. D. Lung. Answer B. Liver. Question number 73. Which famous scientist discovered the law of gravity? A. Galileo Galilei. B. Albert Einstein. C. Isaac Newton. D. Niels Bohr. Answer C. Isaac Newton. Question number 74. What is the longest bone in the human body? A. Tibia. B. Femur. C. Humerus. D. Radius. Answer B. Femur. Question number 75. In which country is the Eiffel Tower located? A. Germany. B. Italy. France. D. Spain. Answer C. France. Question number 76. How many continents are there in the world? A. 5. B. 6. C. 7. D. 8. Answer C. 7. Question number 77. What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle. B. Golden eagle. C. Falcon. D. Hawk. Answer A. Bald eagle. Question number 78. Which gas do plants take in during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. Question number 79. What is the main language spoken in Mexico? A. Portuguese. B. English. C. Spanish. D. Italian. Answer C. Spanish. Question number 80. The First World War began in which year? A. 1912. B. 1914. C. 1916. D. 1918. Answer B. 1914. Question number 81. What is the capital city of Italy? A. Venice. B. Rome. C. Milan. D. Florence. Answer B. Rome. Question number 82. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressure? A. Thermometer. B. Barometer. C. Hygrometer. D. Anemometer. Answer B. Question number 83. Who was the first African American president of the United States? A. Martin Luther King Jr. B. Barack Obama. C. Colin Powell. D. Jesse Jackson. Answer B. Barack Obama. Question number 84. What is the largest desert in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Arabian Desert. C. Gobi Desert. D. Antarctic Desert. Answer D. Antarctic Desert. Question number 85. Which U.S. holiday is celebrated on July 4th? A. Thanksgiving. B. Independence Day. C. Labor Day. D. Memorial Day. Answer B. Independence Day. Question number 86. What is the main source of energy for the Earth? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. The ocean. D. The wind. Answer B. The sun. Question number 87. Which is the longest running river in the United States? A. Colorado River. B. Mississippi River. C. Missouri River. D. Ohio River. Answer C. Missouri River. Question number 88. What is the chemical symbol for iron? A. IR. B. In. C. FD. IO. Answer C. Fe. Question number 89. The Great Barrier Reef is located off the coast of which country? A. South Africa. B. Australia. C. Brazil. India. Answer B. Australia. Question number 90. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Gregor Mendel. B. Charles Darwin. C. Louis Pasteur. D. Alfred Wallace. Answer B. Charles Darwin. Question number 91. Which U.S. state is famous for Hollywood? A. New York. B. Florida. C. California. D. Nevada. C. Question number 92. What is the capital city of Russia? A. St. Petersburg. B. Moscow. C. Kiev. D. Sochi. Answer B. Moscow. Question number 93. Which blood cells fight infections in the human body? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. D. Plasma. Answer C. White blood cells. Question number 94. How many degrees are in a circle? A. 90. B. 180. C. 270. D. 360. Answer D. 360. Question number 95. What is the tallest mountain in the world? A. K2. B. Mount Everest. C. Mount Kilimanjaro. D. Mount McKinley. Answer B. Mount Everest. Question number 96. What type of gas is used to fill balloons so they float? A. Oxygen. B. Helium. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. Answer B. Helium. Question: which country invented paper? A. India. B. China. C. Egypt. Greece. Answer B. China. Question number 98. How many continents are completely in the southern hemisphere? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. Answer C. 3. Question number 99. The U.S. Constitution begins with which famous words? A. We hold these truths to be self-evident. B. When in the course of human events. C. We the people. D. 7 years ago. Answer C. We the people. Question number 100. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Earth. D. Mars. Answer A. Mercury. Question number 101. What is the capital city of Spain? A. Barcelona. B. Madrid. C. Seville. D. Valencia. Answer B. Madrid. Question number 102. Which scientist discovered penicillin? A. Alexander Fleming. B. Louis Pasteur. C. Marie Curie. D. Joseph Lister. Answer A. Alexander Fleming. Question number 103. What is the national sport of Japan? A. Baseball. B. Sumo wrestling. C. Karate. D. Judo. Answer B. Sumo wrestling. Question number 104. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? A. Indian Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Southern Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer D. Arctic Ocean. Question number 105. What does the H in H2O stand for? A. Helium. Hydrogen. C. Heat. D. Hydrocarbon. Answer B. Hydrogen. Question number 106. Which famous leader delivered the speech, I Have a Dream? A. Malcolm X. B. Nelson Mandela. C. Martin Luther King Jr. D. Barack Obama. C. Martin Luther King Jr. Question number 107. The country of Canada has how many provinces? A. 10, 11, C. 12, D. 13. Answer A. 10. Question number 108. What is the freezing point of water on the Celsius scale? A. 0 degrees. B. 10 degrees. C. -10 degrees. D. 32 degrees. Answer A. 0 degrees. Question number 109. Which continent is home to the Amazon River? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. South America. D. North America. Answer C. South America. Question number 110. Which branch of science deals with the study of rocks? A. Biology. B. Physics. C. Geology. D. Astronomy. Answer C. Geology. Question number 111. What is the capital of South Korea? A. Seoul. B. Busan. C. Incheon. D. Daegu. Answer A. Seoul. Question number 112. Which gas is commonly known as laughing gas? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrous oxide. C. Carbon monoxide. D. Methane. Answer B. Nitrous oxide. Question number 113. Who was the first U.S. president to live in the White House? A. George Washington. B. John Adams. C. Thomas Jefferson. James Madison. Answer B. John Adams. Question number 114. What is the main ingredient in guacamole? A. Tomato. B. Avocado. C. Onion. D. Cucumber. Answer B. Avocado. Question number 115. Which country gifted the United States the Statue of Liberty? A. Spain. B. France. C. Germany. D. Italy. Answer B. France. Question number 116. What is the chemical symbol for potassium? A. Po. Bt. C. K. Ka. Question number 117. Who invented the telephone? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. D. Samuel Morse. Answer B. Alexander Graham Bell. Question number 1118. Which U.S. state is famous for the Grand Canyon? A. Nevada. B. Utah. C. Arizona. D. Colorado. Answer C. Arizona. Question number 119. What is the largest island in the world? A. Greenland. B. Madagascar. C. Borneo. D. New Guinea. Answer Greenland. Question number 120. The organ that pumps blood throughout the human body is A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Liver. D. Kidney. Answer heart. Great job. You've already learned 120 questions. If you're still with us, that shows your true dedication, and it means you're serious about passing the ASVAB. If you really want to achieve your goal and ace the test, the upcoming questions are extremely important. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for more practice and guidance. Now, let's get started with the remaining questions. Question number 121. Which planet is known as the morning star and the evening star? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Jupiter. D. Saturn. Answer, Venus. It appears bright in the sky both at dawn and dusk. Question number 122. What is the hardest natural substance found on Earth? A. Iron. B. Quartz. C. Diamond. D. Granite. Answer, diamond. It ranks highest on the Mohs hardness scale. Question number 123. Which gas do humans exhale during respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Answer, carbon dioxide. The body releases it after using oxygen for energy. Question number 124. Who was the first person to step on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin. B. Neil Armstrong. C. Buzz Aldrin. D. Michael Collins. Answer, Neil Armstrong. He landed on the moon in 1969 during Apollo 11. Question number 125. What is the main currency used in Japan? A. Dollar. B. Yen. Peso. D. Won. Answer, yen. It is one of the most traded currencies in the world. Question number 126. Which part of the plant makes food using sunlight? A. Roots, B. Stems, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. Answer: leaves. They perform photosynthesis to produce food. Question number 127. What is the process of liquid changing into vapor called? A. Condensation, B. Freezing, evaporation, D. Melting. Evaporation. It happens when molecules at the surface escape into the air. Question number 128. Who is the current U.S. president in the year 2025? A. Joe Biden, B. Donald Trump, C. Barack Obama, D. Kamala Harris. Answer: Joe Biden. He is serving his term as president in 2025. Question number 129. Which ocean is the largest on Earth? A. Atlantic, B. Indian, C. Pacific, D. Arctic. Answer: Pacific Ocean. It covers more area than all land masses combined. Question number 130. Which vitamin is produced when skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin B, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin K. Answer: vitamin D. It helps the body absorb calcium and build strong bones. Question number 131. How many stars are on the United States? A. 45, B. 50, C. 52, D. 49. Answer: 50. Each star represents one state in the Union. Question number 132. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Horse, B. Cheetah, C. Leopard, D. Greyhound. Answer: cheetah. It can reach speeds up to 70 miles per hour. Question number 133. What is the freezing point of water in Fahrenheit? A. 0, B. 32, C. 100, D. 212. Answer: 32 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the temperature at which water freezes. Question number 134. Which blood type is known as the universal donor? A. O positive, B. O negative, C. AB positive, D. AB negative. Answer: O negative. It can be given to almost all other blood types. Question number 135. What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle, B. Golden eagle, C. Hawk, D. Falcon. Answer: bald eagle. It symbolizes strength and freedom. Question number 136. Which planet has the most moons? A. Earth, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Saturn. Answer: Saturn. As of now, it has more confirmed moons than Jupiter. Question number 137. Who painted the Mona Lisa? A. Vincent van Gogh, B. Pablo Picasso, C. Leonardo da Vinci, D. Michelangelo. Answer: Leonardo da Vinci. His artwork is displayed in the Louvre Museum. Question number 138. Which continent is known as the Dark Continent? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Australia, D. Europe. Answer: Africa. The term came from early explorers due to its unknown interior. Question number 139. What is the largest bone in the human body? A. Skull, B. Femur, C. Spine, D. Tibia. Answer: femur. It is the thigh bone and provides major support. Question number 140. Which organ in the human body is responsible for pumping blood? A. Lungs, B. Heart, C. Kidneys, D. Liver. Answer: heart. It pumps blood through the circulatory system. Question number 141. Which is the largest desert in the world? A. Gobi Desert, B. Sahara Desert, C. Kalahari Desert, D. Antarctic Desert. Answer: Antarctic Desert. It's cold, icy, and larger than the Sahara. Question number 142. How many planets are in our solar system? A. 7, B. 8, C. 9, D. 10. Answer: 8. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. Question number 143. Which is the longest river in the world? A. Amazon River, B. Nile River, C. Mississippi River, D. Yangtze River. Answer: Nile River. It stretches over 4,000 miles through Africa. Question number 144. What does DNA stand for? A. Deoxyribonucleic acid, B. Digital numeric algorithm, C. Dynamic nerve arrangement, D. Double nucleus array. Answer: deoxyribonucleic acid. It carries genetic information in all living beings. Question number 145. Which U.S. state is known as the Sunshine State? A. California, B. Arizona, C. Florida, D. Texas. Answer: Florida. It has warm weather and sunny beaches. Question number 146. What is the capital of Canada? A. Toronto, Vancouver, C. Ottawa, D. Montreal. Answer: Ottawa. It's located in the province of Ontario. Question number 147. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? A. Gold, B. Mercury, C. Silver, D. Copper. Answer: mercury. It is the only metal that stays liquid naturally. Question number 148. What is the study of earthquakes called? A. Meteorology, B. Seismology, C. Volcanology, D. Geology. Answer: seismology. Scientists use seismographs to measure quakes. Question number 149. Which country is called the Land of the Rising Sun? A. China, B. Japan, C. Korea, D. Thailand. Answer: Japan. Its name in Japanese means origin of the sun. Question number 150. What is the largest internal organ in the human body? A. Lungs, B. Liver, C. B. Heart. Answer: liver. It performs over 500 vital functions. Question number 151. Which scientist proposed the theory of relativity? A. Isaac Newton, B. Galileo Galilei, C. Albert Einstein, D. Charles Darwin. Answer: Albert Einstein. His work changed the understanding of space and time. Question number 152. What is the chemical symbol for gold? A. Go, B-U-C, egg, D. D. Answer: AU. It comes from the Latin word aurum. Question number 153. Which country has the largest population in the world in 2025? A. China, B. India, C. United States, D. Indonesia. Answer: India. It recently surpassed China in population. Question number 154. What is the smallest unit of matter? A. Atom, B. Molecule, cell, D. Proton. Answer: atom. It is the basic building block of matter. Question number 155. Which is the world's highest mountain? A. Mount Kilimanjaro, B. Mount Everest, C. Mount Fuji, D. K2, Mount Everest. It rises over 29,000 feet. Question number 156. What does the acronym HTTP stand for in websites? A. Hypertext Transfer Protocol, B. High-Tech Transmission Path, Hypertool Text Page, D. Host Transfer Type Protocol. Answer: Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It is the foundation of data communication on the web. Question number 157. Which country invented paper? A. India, B. Greece, C. China, D. Egypt. Answer: China. Paper was first created during the Han Dynasty. Question number 158. Which is the largest mammal on Earth? A. African elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Orca, D. Giraffe. Answer: blue whale. It can grow up to 100 feet long. Question number 159. Which gas do plants release during photosynthesis? A. Nitrogen, B. Oxygen, C. Carbon dioxide, D. Hydrogen. Answer: oxygen. Plants take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Question number 160. What is the capital of France? A. Rome, B. Paris, C. Madrid, D. Berlin. Answer: Paris. It's famous for the Eiffel Tower and the Louvre. Question number 161. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Mars, D. Jupiter. Answer: Mars. Its reddish appearance comes from iron oxide on its surface. Question number 162. How many sides does a hexagon have? A. 5, B. 6, 7, D. 8. Answer: 6. A hexagon has six equal sides, and 6 is number 163. What is the boiling point of water in Celsius? A. 0, B. 100, C. 50, D. 200. Answer: 100 degrees Celsius. That is the standard boiling point at sea level. Question number 164. Which organ in the human body filters blood and produces urine? A. Liver, B. Lungs, C. Kidneys, D. Stomach. Answer: kidneys. They remove waste and balance fluids in the body. Question number 165. Which scientist is known as the father of modern physics? A. Galileo Galilei, B. Isaac Newton, C. Albert Einstein, D. Nikola Tesla. Answer: Galileo Galilei. His discoveries laid the foundation for physics. Question number 166. What is the capital of Australia? A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Perth. Answer: Canberra. It was chosen as a compromise between Sydney and Melbourne. Question number 167. Which blood cells help fight infections? A. Red blood cells, B. White blood cells, C. Platelets, D. Plasma. Answer: white blood cells. They defend the body against harmful bacteria and viruses. Question number 168. How many continents are there on Earth? A. 5, B. 6, C. 7, D. 8. Answer: 7. They are Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. Question number 169. What is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. Answer: Jupiter. It is a gas giant with a massive red storm. Question number 170. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? A. Charles Dickens, B. William Shakespeare, C. Jane Austen, D. Mark Twain. Answer: William Shakespeare. His plays are studied worldwide. Question number 171. Which ocean lies on the east coast of the United States? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Answer: Atlantic Ocean. It borders the eastern United States. Question number 172. Which is the only continent with no permanent human population? A. Antarctica, B. Australia, C. Africa, D. South America. Answer, Antarctica. Only research scientists live there temporarily. Question number 173. How many teeth does a normal adult human have? A, 24, B, 32, C, 28, D, 30. Answer, 32. Including wisdom teeth, that's the full set. Question number 174. What is the national flower of the United States? A, rose, B, sunflower, C, lily, D, daisy. Answer, rose. It was officially declared in 1986. Question number 175. Which is the longest bone in the human arm? A, radius, B, vena, C, humerus, D, clavicle. Answer, humerus. It runs from the shoulder to the elbow. Question number 176. Which is the smallest country in the world by area? A, Monaco, B, Vatican City, C, Liechtenstein, D, Malta. Answer, Vatican City. It's less than 1 square kilometer. Question number 177. Which part of the human eye controls the amount of light entering? A, retina, B, iris, lens, cornea. Answer, iris. It adjusts the size of the pupil. Question number 178. Which is the fastest bird in the world? A, golden eagle, B, falcon, C, swift, D, owl. Answer, peregrine falcon. It can dive at speeds over 200 miles per hour. Question number 179. Which element has the chemical symbol O? A, oxygen, B, osmium, C, ozone, D, oxide. Answer, oxygen. It is essential for breathing and combustion. Question number 180. What is the capital city of Italy? A, Venice, B, Rome, C, Milan, D, Florence. Answer, Rome. Known as the Eternal City, it was the heart of the Roman Empire. That's 180 questions completed. Question number 181. Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide, D, hydrogen. Answer, nitrogen. It makes up about 78% of the atmosphere. Question number 182. Which organ helps us breathe by expanding and contracting? A, heart, B, diaphragm, C, lungs, D, stomach. Answer, diaphragm. It plays a key role in breathing. Question number 183. Which is the largest land animal? A, rhino, B, hippopotamus, C, African elephant, D, giraffe. Answer, African elephant. It can weigh up to 12,000 pounds. Question number 184. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the United States? A, England, B, Germany, C, France, D, Spain. Answer, France. It was gifted in 1886 as a symbol of friendship. Question number 185. Which U.S. state is known as the Empire State? A, California, B, Texas, C, New York, Virginia. Answer, New York. The nickname represents its wealth and resources. Question number 186. What is the process by which plants make their food? A, respiration, B, photosynthesis, C, fermentation, D, evaporation. Answer, photosynthesis. Plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food. Question number 187. Which element has the chemical symbol Fe? A, fluorine, B, francium, C, iron, D, fermium. Answer, iron. Its symbol comes from the Latin word ferrum. Question number 188. Which planet is closest to the sun? A, Venus, B, Earth, C, Mercury, D, Mars. Answer, Mercury. It's the smallest and nearest planet to the sun. Question number 189. Who was the first U.S. president? A, Abraham Lincoln, B, Thomas Jefferson, C, George Washington, D, John Adams. Answer, George Washington. He served from 1789 to 1797. Question number 190. Which city is known as the Big Apple? A, Chicago, B, Los Angeles, C, New York City, D, Miami. Answer, New York City. The nickname reflects its popularity and culture. Question number 191. Which instrument measures temperature? A, thermometer, B, barometer, C, hygrometer, D, speedometer. Answer, thermometer. It measures heat and cold in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Question number 192. Which country is famous for the Great Wall? A, India, B, China, C, Japan, D, Korea. Answer, China. The Great Wall stretches over 13,000 miles. Question number 193. How many bones are in the adult human body? A, 206, B, 210, C, 195, D, 250. Answer, 206. Babies are born with more, but some fuse together. Question number 194. Which gas is essential for human survival? A, carbon dioxide, B, nitrogen, C, oxygen, D, helium. Answer, oxygen. Humans need it for respiration and energy production. Question number 195. Which is the world's most spoken language by native speakers? A, English, B, Mandarin, Chinese, C, Spanish, D, Hindi. Answer, Mandarin Chinese. Over 1 billion people speak it as their first language. Question number 196. What is the capital of Russia? A. St. Petersburg, B. Moscow, Kiev, D. Sochi. Answer: Moscow. It's the largest city and the political center of Russia. Question number 197. Which organ is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood? A. Liver, B. Heart, C. Brain, D. Pancreas. Answer: heart. It circulates blood throughout the body. Question number 198. What is the largest ocean on Earth? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Atlantic Ocean, D. Arctic Ocean. Answer: Pacific Ocean. It covers more than 63 million square miles. Question number 199. Who developed the theory of evolution by natural selection? Charles Darwin, B. Isaac Newton, C. Albert Einstein, D. Louis Pasteur. Answer: Charles Darwin. His work transformed biology. Question number 200. Which continent is the largest by area? A. Africa, B. Asia, C. North America, D. Europe. Answer: Asia. It covers 1/3 of the world's total land area. Congratulations, you've just completed 200 general knowledge questions with ASVAB Mentor. That is a huge step toward acing your ASVAB test in 2025. Remember, practice makes progress, and the more you review these questions, the sharper your mind will become. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to ASVAB Mentor for more practice sessions, tips, and strategies. Stay focused, stay motivated, and success will be yours. See you in the next session.